post lockdown to discuss and know more about the body, skin, and hair treatments. So, I think the lockdown is over, but I still hope you're continuing with your norms of social distancing, wearing a mask. We are going to discuss something today which is with regards to the increasing concern of weight gain which has happened during this lockdown period. We are going to discuss the topic which is related to the fat loss today, and we are going to target an important aspect of treating excess fat loss and production of excess fat and the storage of these things with the help of revolutionary non-surgical laser lipolysis. So, friends, this is something which has come around in a very recent manner, and the treatment which we are going to deal around is very simple, and there's no downtown period required for the same. So let me just give you a brief insight about the non-surgical treatment of laser lipolysis. This is laser lipolysis, as in we call it as rapid laser cellulite therapy. Now friends, as we know, obesity is now become globesity, as in it has become a pandemic. So the increasing concern is what we are going to target today and help you out with a non-surgical treatment wherein the fat is being lost from your body in a very simple and easy manner. So coming back to the rapid laser cellulite therapy. Now this therapy is something which is a combination of various treatment inside it, and yes, the laser treatment helps to flush out the fat in a very easy manner. Now this is where the fat loss therapy happens. Now the laser therapy is something wherein there is a combination of bipolar radio frequency, there is vacuum mechanical massage in this, along with laser energies in this. Now the combination of all these things is specifically designed way to give skin surface a very flat smooth effect, along with excessive, or I would say normal to excessive penetration of laser and the heat energy, so that the fat is being targeted and it's being flushed out from your system. So before we go along with how we perform this on the patient, let me just give you a brief insight about all the treatments and what we do before the patient comes along. Right? So another thing is, before the patient comes, we normally go along with the body composition analysis. Body composition analysis is wherein we come to know about the fat percentage, muscle percentage, the water level, etc. in the person's body. Now, with the help of these things, we come to know how much fat is excess in their body and how much fat we need to take out. Okay. Post that, we go along with the marking of the targeted areas. As you can see, this is the area which we need to lose fat from. As you can see, we have already marked the areas wherein we are supposed to take out the fat from. Okay, check it around. It's this way. These are the fat pouches which we need to take around during the treatment. Okay. After the marking of the targeted areas, what we do is we take a circumferential measurement, as in the entire abdo measurement we take around. This happens to be as a comparative study for pre-session and post-session measurement. The measurements are taken in inches so that we come to know exactly how much inches is being lost post-session during the lipolysis period. Now coming to the thing, during the session, the patient comfortably lies down on the bed, on the treatment bed. There's no any heat, or there won't be any spark or any kinds of thing. So the treatment is completely safe. It is completely non-surgical, as in the treatment happens without an incision. There is no cutting or there is no injections or anything involved in these kinds of treatment. Okay? Now let's come to the treatment, what we are going to do now. For this treatment, what we have is we start with fat breaking session in this thing. Fat breaking session is wherein we apply this probe on the surface of the body, and during this treatment there is fat breaking happening, and it's been done for almost 15 to 20 minutes. Then comes the vacuum massager. Vacuum massages happens for almost 15 to 20 minutes more. This loosens the fat so that whatever stubbornity is there in the body is being loosened up. Right? Now let's come to the part where the laser thing happens. As you can see, I am just putting the laser pads in the body surface in the targeted areas. As you can see, we have raised the laser sessions. We have raised the laser waves in this. Okay. Now these are the laser waves which are made to safely penetrate inside the skin surface. Okay. Once it penetrates the skin surface, there are fat cells which absorbs these laser waves. Once it absorbs these laser waves, it opens the pores in the fat cells. Okay. Once these pores of the fat cells are open, what happens is the fat cell breaks. Okay, the fat cell breaks and all the fat is being drained out, it's let out. Okay, now all this left out fat which is being drained out by this process is being thrown out from the body, or you can say excuse me, removed from the body by the process of normal metabolic process. Okay, this is how the laser pads are applied. Now this is being kept on the body surface for almost 10 to 15 minutes so that all the fat cells are being targeted equally. So these pads are kept for almost 10 to 15 minutes, as I've mentioned. Now during this laser lipolysis process, what we normally suggest is a basic dietary regulations and a slight exercises. Why is this being advised is so that whatever expelled fat, whatever extra fat is being removed from the body, that is being accelerated and it gives you a fat loss in a very faster rate. Right? Now during the session, the patient generally feels a gentle warmth. There is no heat, there is no current kinds of thing felt. It's a gentle warm feeling and there is no downtown period. The patient can continue with the normal routine daily activities post session in this. Now, during the laser lipolysis session, the recommended sessions are mostly 6 to 8 sessions. Now, 6 to 8 session may you see a desirable result, but yes, it definitely depends upon the fat percentage also of the person, and fat percentage definitely differs from patient to patient. So, post this session, like this session happens for almost 40 to 50 minutes. Post 1 hour after the session, again the circumferential measurement of the abdomen is taken. Session and post session measurements are compared, and normally you get around some 2 to 4 inches loss during per-sitting period. Just to maintain this, you do have to follow the things which we normally tell you during the session to follow around, and definitely you will get a good results with these things. Now the definitive result of this is you get a good reduction in the circumference of your targeted areas, and yes, you get a very smooth skin surface. You don't have any scars or you don't have any cut marks on them, so you get a very smooth skin surface, which definitely is a long lasting effect. So this is in short about all the laser treatment which we have gone through. Do keep us watching and do let us know if you have any doubts or you need to know more about these treatments, and keep us informed on the same about on this comment section, and you can also inbox us the same for any queries and for any consultation you will be needing. Thank you for watching us and see you soon.